Welcome back. In the previous lecture, we learned about different job roles in big data market. In this lecture, we'll learn about how big data professionals are being paid in the market. So here is a story from Wall Street Journal. Tom Davenport, who is teaching an executive program in big data and analytics at Harvard University, said some data scientists are earning annual salaries as high as $3 lakh, which is pretty good for somebody that doesn't have anyone else working for them. Davenport also said such workers are motivated by problems and opportunities data provides. The big data job market is an extremely competitive one. Indeed.com is one of the largest job search portal around the globe. Let's have a look on some salary trends for big data professionals on Indeed.com. Look at the salary trend for big data engineer in San Francisco. The average salary is $1,53,000 and it is increasing with time. For big data scientist, it is $1,67,000 and it is also increasing with time. For big data analyst, it is $1,60,000. For a solutions architect, it is around $2,12,000. In New York, it is $1,89,000. So the salaries for big data professionals are very high in the market and it varies from place to place. Based on my research, I found this is how the salaries of big data professionals varies based on experience. So for a big data analyst, the salary could be anywhere between $50,000 to $1,10,000. For a big data scientist, it could be anywhere between $85,000 to $1,70,000 based on your experience. For a big data manager, it is between $90,000 to $2,40,000. For a big data engineer, it is between $70,000 to $1,65,000. I hope you got some idea how big data professionals are being paid in the market. That's all for this lecture. See you in the next one. Thank you.